my Tribest Personal Blender II is for making salad dressings. So today I'm going to make for you a beautiful Italian salad dressing. Really simple. I'm going to use the 500ml blending cup. Alright, this is BPA free. You could use the 300ml or the 700ml, or you can purchase any standard mason jar and use the attachment, and you can blend straight into the mason jar. So that's one of the best features with the Personal Blender II that I love. But today I'm just going to use the standard 500ml BPA free blending cup. I've got 1 cup of cold pressed olive oil in here. I'm going to add in a little bit of red wine vinegar. You can use apple cider if you like, or balsamic, doesn't really matter. I'm going to also put in some seeded mustard, just about a teaspoon, delicious. I've got 1 medjool date, just half a medjool date, and I've removed the pit. I've got half a garlic clove. Got some beautiful fresh basil here and some oregano just to give that some added flavor. And we're going to also put in some salt and pepper as well. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now, all I have to do is put my blade attachment in place. Just screw that on. I'm using the wet blade assembly here. And we just line that up. And I'm just going to pulse that a few times to make it nice and smooth. And then we'll be ready to go. That's it. That's how simple it is. Look at that. It's already emulsified in there, that olive oil. How nice and creamy that looks. That is going to be absolutely delicious on your salad dressing. On your salad, I should say. Let's try some of that. Beautiful. One of the main reasons I use my Tribest Personal Blender II. I'm sure you'll love it. Happy blending.